welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you are a doctor or a medical professional, you probably know that occupational English test is one of the best tests you can take for working abroad. But I know before starting we have so many questions like how to book a test, how to start preparing, what resources should we use. Don't worry, in this video we are going to talk about all the steps in detail. I also take online webinars regarding how to go for OET preparation. So stay till the end and I'll give you a brief on how to book these sessions with me. Okay, so now let's talk about what is OET. Well, OET is an English language test specifically designed for healthcare professionals. Unlike IELTS, which is more general, OET tests your English language in a medical context, making it a better choice for healthcare professionals like doctors, nurses and other medical staff. So OET has 4 different sections including listening, reading, writing and speaking. And as I already mentioned, it's specifically designed for healthcare professionals and it is accepted in the UK, US, New Zealand, Australia, Ireland and few more countries. So that's what OET is. And now if we talk about how to book OET, well, booking OET is actually very simple and here's how you can do it. Visit the official OET website, which is www.occupationalenglishTest.org, and create an account with your details. Choose your test date and location. OET is available in multiple test centers worldwide and there is also a computer-based version for some locations. Select your profession. Since we are doctors, choose medicine and make the payment. The exam fee varies by country, so check the latest fee on the website. Confirm your booking. Once done, you will receive a confirmation email. One personal tip I would like to give you guys is that book your exam 2 to 3 months prior to get your preferred location and date. Now if we talk about how to start your preparation for OET, first understand the format of the exam. Since OET exam is mainly focused on your communication skills and your medical English knowledge, having the right strategy is crucial. As I was talking about the personalized webinar that I conduct on Zoom calls or Google Meet, is where I teach you guys how you can understand the format of the exam. So reading section is going to be different from your listening and your writing and also from your speaking. So all of these 4 domains which tests your English knowledge are actually different from each other. So you need to understand how to approach these different domains of the exam. There are some resources which you can use for OET exam. I personally watched few videos on YouTube and then I just focused on my command of English. Personally for me it wasn't that difficult because I was also working as a part-time English teacher during my college days. So I think because of that I had a good command on English and also like how I prepared for the exam. If you are looking for any resources, there are some books like Cambridge Guide to OET and there is also a YouTube channel called E2OET. You can watch their videos and then you can get some superficial idea about how to go for the preparation. And another thing that I would like to advise you guys is that practice your speaking and writing. The speaking part involves role playing with the patient, so get your study partner or your friends to practice as a doctor and patient so that you can practice your speaking part. And the writing part includes referral letters. So just you need to understand like how these referral letters work and then you can just practice it every day. That's what I used to do because as I was working as a JR, as I mentioned in my previous video, so we used to have these like specialty call referrals. So it was somewhat like that, but if you really want to understand like how these things work, you can book my webinar and I'm happy to help you guys. The most important thing in the OET exam is your time management, because see, we all speak English, most of our studies are in English, we understand and we are able to communicate in English, right? The problem arrives when the time is so constrained and we have to finish all the given tasks in the given time. So yeah, that's the general idea of OET, that it's just an English occupational test. Now I've shown you guys how to book your test and how to prepare for OET. I think OET is the most easiest exam you are going to give if you are trying to go for PLAB or MRCP. Trust me, it's not a rocket science. You just need a bit of guidance. If you're still confused about how to start, don't worry, I got you covered. Before my PLAB 2, I used to take one-on-one webinar sessions, but now I have merged them as a group session so that I don't have to book whole day for these sessions. So just maybe 10 to 15 people can join one webinar, and then I can describe you each and everything step by step. By the end of the webinar, you are going to get free sample tests. Along with that, you will get a blueprint, and also by the end of the webinar, you'll be able to understand how to go for each and every section of the OET exam. I'll be giving a link in the description box below so that you can book your webinar with me. Mostly the webinar is on weekend, but I'll keep you guys updated for upcoming webinar on my Instagram. I hope this video somewhat helped you in your OET journey. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. The next video, I'll be talking about how to book your PLAB 1 and how to start your preparation for PLAB 1. Meanwhile, if you have any queries or any doubts, please feel free to email me or DM me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.